Hello and welcome to Finding Fractions of a Number, a tutorial that will help you use your times tables to find the fraction of a number pretty easily by multiplying and dividing. Once you've got to a certain level of understanding about what fractions are all about, in my class I teach children about how to find fractions of a number by dividing by the denominator and timesing by the top. It's a quick and easy way of remembering a pretty easy method for finding the fractions of a number, and this is how it's done. Before we begin, it's probably important to remind ourselves of the two different parts of a fraction. The top number is a numerator, while the bottom number is a denominator. Hence, divide by the denominator times by the top. So we begin by dividing the number by the denominator. In this case, we've got 45, and we're sharing it into 5. And if we do that, we should end up with 9. 45 divided by 5 equals 9. We can then take that 9 and multiply it by the numerator, or the top number. So 9 multiplied by 3 equals 27. So 3/5 of 45 is 27. In class I often show this with a fractions monster with the starting number in the tail and the answer coming out at the head, but it's just for fun. Now, if you're confident with your times tables and how to manipulate them by multiplying them by 10 or 100 or even into decimals, you should be able to find fractions of larger numbers. So, for instance, we've got 4/9 of 720. We do exactly the same thing, where we divide by the denominator and times by the top. So 720 divided by 9 should give us 80 every time. And then we take that 80, we multiply it by 4. 8 times 4 is 32, so 80 multiplied by 4 is 320. Therefore, 4/9 of 720 is 320. That's where the divide 9 comes from, and that is why we multiply 80 by 4. In a moment, pause this video and answer these questions in your books. Please don't go over to the answer page until you've completed all the questions, otherwise you're just cheating yourself. Alright, best of luck. Here are your answers. If you've got them all right, congratulations. If you've not got them quite right, have a look over your work and see what the problem is. Otherwise, come and see me and we'll have a good go through them. Okay? Well done.